Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video, I will be discussing the Ethereum valuation, where we have been seeing a beautiful upward sloping supportive line getting created, and as well, while we are right now seeing on the 4-hourly, a very massive resistance line getting created here. So this and more will be discussed here as well. We will be going over the 1-day candles, where we have been seeing as well a perfect retest here of the falling wedge coming in towards our chart, as well coming together with the massive resistance target, what we have been already warning you guys for yesterday on the channel, of 2,232 US dollars. So yeah, with this have being said, guys, these are the things that I will be discussing in this video. If you haven't already, make sure to already like this video, guys. Let's go for 250 likes on this video. It would be amazing if we can all reach it all together. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel as well here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notifications so you're not going to miss out on any of these updates in the future on the channel here. So yeah, let's go right away into the video and let's discuss what we're right now seeing here on the Ethereum valuation. So only 1 hourly candles, guys. It looks to be that Ethereum is starting a new uptrend here, where we have been sending, of course, higher lows every single time here, together with higher highs. But ever since, of course, Bitcoin have been correcting a little bit since yesterday, Ethereum, of course, have been following, and the RSI has been cooling off a little bit here, but we are still finding support on our supportive target towards the upside, what is, of course, beautiful to see here. But there are several things right now playing out in the background, and to right away start off the video, to right away go more in depth about it, on the 1 hourly candles on the MACD, guys, we are seeing some very interesting things here. So you can see clearly the highs are clearly getting lower, so we're setting lower highs on the MACD, and this was already a thing that we have been discussing here around the 2100 towards the 2200 US dollars on Ethereum, because we were seeing the prices rises, but the MACD was signifying that the buyers were losing strength and they were getting exhausted, and that was of course as well signifying a minor reversal. And yeah, fortunately I did took some profits yesterday around the levels, and I have been discussing this as well here, of course, in the stream. So absolutely crushing it already over there. But what we are right now as well are seeing, of course, is a downtrend getting started on the 1 hourly candles on the MACD in terms of the selling pressure. So let's see how this will be ending. Will we be setting another lower low? Percy, yeah, it can be for sure happening, but as long as we're trading above the supportive line, it will be for sure not happening. So yeah, keep your eyes out on the supportive target on the 1 hourly candles. If we're going to break below this level, this can be maybe signifying some more bearish rundowns here, and some more bearish momentum entering the market, because yeah, currently the MACD is since approximately the let me see, yeah, the 28th of June as well in a downtrend, even though prices have been still rising. So yeah, let's see how this will be ending here, but for sure I do expect the price from here on the level that we're trading on will be bouncing because of this supportive line here, and we are about to see as well bullish crossover right now getting created on the MACD here. So yeah, we can be for sure potentially see some high price getting reached here. So then let's go right away into the 4-hour. And before going to go into all the targets, and before going into my pattern, and of course the massive resistance line that we're looking at, let me discuss right away the momentum on the 4-hour in terms of the MACD here, because I do think the MACD is a very important indicator, giving us all these signals whether we want to be bullish or bearish. So right now the MACD on the 4-hour is looking very healthy, guys. I want to be admitting this right away. You can see clearly over here higher highs getting formed here, as well with higher lows getting formed. Of course, here we were seeing lower lows still getting formed in the price chart, but was ending, of course, in all these bullish divergence, and also the many of these reasons why I flip bullish. But if we're looking to the highs, guys, you can clearly see we're forming a higher high, and as well a higher high on the MACD. So yeah, the MACD is looking very healthy, even though we're about to see a bearish crossover. I do expect the prices can be searching once again from this point that we're trading on, because you can see the MACD trend is basing towards the upside, and it's just more likely to see still this trend continue, because I rather play with the trend. And I mean, I always say the trend is my friend till it ends, and currently the trend is still towards the upside, so I still will be bullish unless I see a trend reversal. And guys, talk about a trend reversal. If you want to be staying up to date about a trend reversal on Ethereum and Bitcoin whatsoever, make sure to right away go to the Twitter page at Crypto Rover CRC. Sorry, it's at Rover CRC. You can see it right now in front of your screen, and go and follow me on Twitter, because we are giving you all these important updates here about Bitcoin, Ethereum on our Twitter page. And as well, if you want to be learning to become a better trader as well here, guys, make sure to go to the Discord server, link in the description. And in the Discord server, we will be talking each other, of course, about the certain trades that we're going to take, and as well we will be talking I will be giving you guys signals if I will be opening a trade, because yeah, I don't always always open a trade, but once seeing a very good opportunity, I will be sharing it with every single one of you guys, and it will be, of course, the trade signals when I'm going to say when I will be opening a trade will be on Discord, and as well, you can just hang out with each other. So make sure to go to the link in the description and join the Discord server if you're interested in that for sure. So yeah, what are we seeing as well in Ethereum on the 4-hour? Because yeah, the momentum is looking good. We are very healthy in an uptrend. But if we're looking at the 4-hourly candles, guys, you can see over here is that we are clearly having found several times massive resistance on these levels. And since, of course, every single time finding resistance on this level, I do want to be seeing, of course, this level getting broken. And right now it looks to be that we're trying to go for another touch. And you have to know this, man. You guys have to know this, because the more times you're retesting a certain level of supportive resistance, the more likely it will be that you're going to break through it. And personally, I once again do expect that we're going to break through it. As well, if we're looking to the EMA ribbon, guys, even though we're going to have a minor decrease, we will be already getting supported by it. So that is beautiful to see, because in the past, in the previous trend here, you can see rejected. And since breaking through it, of course, this is looking quite bullish, and this is looking quite excited as well for Ethereum. So yeah, we are probably going to go for another retest in the coming 24 hours, maybe the coming 48 hours, but for sure, guys, once again, if we're going to break through this level, this will be once again signifying a breakthrough of the trend while we were still trading on $2,900. And as well, I have several targets here on Ethereum if I'm looking to different, I mean, I have several targets. If I'm looking to Ethereum as well, you can see over here, I have my target for the falling wedge here, still sitting on the $2,900, sitting around this level over here, $2,600, excuse me. So yeah, this is definitely a level that I will be watching as well here. But yeah, you can see basically there are two lines right now coming together in one chart, and yeah, you just don't want to be missing out on this specific trade here, because yeah, I mean, I already took the trade, of course, around $1,700, like I discussed all together on the channel. But right now we have to be breaking through this resistance level in order, of course, to create the volatility towards our price target of the falling wedge. Still anticipating the price target getting reached here, guys. It doesn't go up in a straight line, but still 20 more percent is about to get made here in my trade. I'm taking these trades on Bybit currently. And guys, if I'm looking for a next scalp, if I'm looking for a next opportunity, if I see a next opportunity, I will be for sure sharing it, of course, with you guys all together. So yeah, mainly what I should be looking at right now is if for sure this breakthrough of this resistance line. If we can see this level getting broken here, yeah, I do expect higher prices getting reached here. But this is, of course, the important level to watch here on the 4-hourly candles. But as well, this is a very important thing, of course, to look at on the daily candles. And I've been as well already warning every one of you guys on the Twitter page and on the Discord channel, of course, about this important retest of the falling wedge for Ethereum compared to US dollar on the daily candles. And the price target probably will be shocking everyone once they are going to hear it, but the price target for this falling wedge here is an approximately 103% trade here. And I've been saying several times, guys, you don't always get these opportunities for these massive trades here. And of course, this pattern unfolded on the daily candles, and you don't see these patterns, these big patterns unfold every single day, and you do want to be taking the opportunity. And of course, I can't give you any financial advice here, but personally, I've been stacking up on my Ethereum. And guys, once again, you heard this first on the channel, we are going to see a new all-time high getting created within the coming 4 months. I'm already 90% sure about it. As well, what you can see, perfect falling wedge here. It is just looking beautiful. We are getting massive buying opportunities, and these are the times that you do want to be benefiting from the low prices. Still, while you had the opportunity around the $1,700, I don't think it's a bad buy here, even though we are trading already around the $2,100. It is still relatively cheap here. So what is as well a thing that we want to be looking at if we're looking at the daily candles? Because I've been already warning you guys yesterday before even touching this level, the day before as well. I mean, even while we were sitting on the $1,900, that the $2,232 will be a massive level of resistance, because this is just, generally speaking, of course, very significant, because it's 0.5 in the Fibonacci, and this level will be just not a level that you're going to easily break through here. So you can see yesterday, we retested this level, we tested this level, and we unfortunately couldn't break through it. And right now, of course, we retested it, and of course, we went lower. And what I do want to be seeing right now here is, of course, a breakthrough of this $2,232 level. And if we can't see this level getting broken, guys, I do expect, of course, price to move lower, but I mean, we only just got the first touch here, and usually you take several touches before really breaking through this level. And as well, if you're looking to the 4-hourly candles, you can just see the significance from the past. We have been testing this level so many times, guys. Here as well, major previous support, what flipped into resistance while we were trading below it. So yeah, looking forward towards, of course, break through this level. But yeah, first want to be seeing a daily candle close above it, and these are the levels that you're basically want to be looking out for, guys. I just arrived in Austria. I will be enjoying my day for a second over here, guys. For sure, I will be keeping you guys up to date about every single thing about the market, of course, if we're seeing some important developments. But tomorrow I will be back with a normal schedule, because this video came way later than I wish I could have uploaded it. But guys, still, thank you so much for watching, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Goodbye.